Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Today is going to be our academic day. All right, so I'm going to take us through what we're learning today, which is RPE, and then I'm going to explain the scales and the pictures on here. They might be confusing at first, and then we'll go through today's assignment. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy your rest day from working out. So here we go. So you might see RPE and think, what? I think this minion is hilarious. All right, so we have 3 tasks today. We're going to watch this video. You're going to learn about RPE, and then you're going to complete today's worksheet about RPE. So first things first, what does RPE stand for? Well, it stands for rate of perceived exertion. All right, so that might seem like a lot of big words right there, but it's pretty simple. So what does this mean for me? Well, RPE is a way to assess how hard you feel like you're exercising. Okay, so it's a way that you can look at yourself and think about what you're doing and how hard is it, okay, or how easy is it. So why do you need to know about this? Well, I think now more than ever, when we're at home, we don't really have people to hold us accountable. These are scales that we can look at to make things more challenging. And then it relates it in a way that everyone can relate to. So it talks about your breathing, how hard your breathing is. Can you hold a conversation? How many words you can say at that point in time? And those are kind of easy ways for us to help tell ourselves, can we work a little bit harder? Should we bring it back? Okay, so this is going to kind of relate to our heart rate zones as well when we're talking about going from green to orange to red. All right, so if we look at the first scale here, you can see the RPE scale goes from 1 to 10. Okay, so 1 is very light activity. Okay, very easy. As we go up, it gets a little bit tougher, right? Light activity, moderate, vigorous, very hard, and max effort. Okay, so once we get up into the red at max effort, it's impossible to keep going. You're out of breath. You just gassed yourself. Okay, you need to lay on the ground and catch your breath. Our orange right here, it's very difficult to maintain that intensity. You can only say a couple words if you needed to, but you're just about on the brink of max effort. Okay, yellow here, vigorous. It's borderline uncomfortable, short of breath, and you can speak about a sentence, but then you need to go back to working on your breathing. Okay, moderate activity, you're breathing hard, but you could hold a short conversation. All right, so somewhat comfortable, but it's getting harder and harder. So for me, this would be like going on a run with a friend. Okay, so holding a short conversation, but then letting them talk while I catch my breath and keep running. Okay, and notice that as we go on in this run, it's getting more and more challenging. Okay, light activity, you can maintain it for hours. So it's pretty easy. You can carry on a conversation throughout the whole thing. All right, so there are a lot of fun things out there that have been transformed with this RPE scale. So the first one here is some emojis and the faces that you can use to realize how hard you're working. All right, so this one you're sleeping at level 1, but at level 10, you are not feeling so hot. Okay, so this just kind of puts it into different words. Like I'm sweating a little, but I feel good and I can carry on a conversation comfortably. I'm comfortable. I can do this all day long. This might make more sense to you than this does. So just trying to give you guys a few options of things that can help you understand each of these. All right, the last one is some Legos, Lego pain assessment tool. So either you can tell by their faces or the words underneath by how hard this is. But as you can see, no pain is at 0. Worst pain possible is at 10. All right, so at 10, you're like, no, I'm out. I'm stopping. This is a lot. All right, so that is RPE. Let me know if you guys have questions on that. You're going to complete the worksheet today. So you're going to download this in Notability. So here is the PDF. Once we get in there, so it's just going to ask what RPE stands for. You're going to fill in the blanks here. Why is RPE important to me when I work out at home? You're going to type your answer here. Which level represents someone feeling borderline uncomfortable, short of breath, can speak a sentence? Okay, highlight or circle one of these. What should it feel like during the scale of the 2 to 3 blue and the light activity? Okay, so what is that description in the box there? And how are you going to start implementing this RPE scale into your own workouts? All right, so once you guys have filled that out, you're going to turn it into the assignment tab here at the bottom by 11:59 tonight. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions.